as a bonus, are going to get a free copy of our most recent book. It's called The Golden Promise. I think it's our best work that my partner and I put together that explains in detail the step-by-step process to make sure you have everything about your money in writing. And think about just how would that feel right now? If every single thing about your money was in writing and you understood it, how would that feel? It'd feel a lot better than how you feel right now because you don't have a plan. You might think that the statements you get every month or every quarter on your assets are your plan. They're not. That's just a report card for how your assets have performed. Your portfolio and the allocation is not a plan. A plan has all those items that I listed before. So we want to make sure that you understand the Peak Financial Worry-Free Retirement Roadmap. It's about an 80-page book, takes about an hour and a half to read, really simple to read, but it will basically change your life. You have the opportunity to change your life simply by reading this free book.